Hi, welcome to this video. How to see who unfollowed you on Instagram. To see who unfollowed you on Instagram, the safest method is to compare your follower list over time by downloading your data. So go ahead to your profile, hit the three lines at the top right, okay, and go ahead to the account center or meta, your information and permissions, and hit download your informations. Okay, so or export your information. Okay, all gadgets, just hit create export for your Instagram account. So I'm going to select my Instagram account, and you can export to device or export to external device. All right, now when your export is ready, they will send you a notification. For security reasons, you only have 4 days to download your files, and hit start export. Okay, and you can of course select the date range, the format file, right, and the media quality. So basically that's it. You can compare the followers list from a past date with your current list using tools like compare toy list or compare toolist.com. So consider liking this video, subscribe. Until next time, see you.